Hello back. I'm gonna take you from your inbox to the ICU, from TikTok to Tesla, all in the next few minutes, ready to understand and see together the real world machine learning use case. We're gonna start with the recommendation system that everyone can see it in his daily life, inside Netflix or Amazon or Spotify. Ever wondered how Netflix knows what show you next? Or how Amazon magically recommend some exact products you didn't know even you needed? That's call it collaborative filtering plus deep learning model behind the scene. The algorithm here have like 3 steps. First, he gonna analyze your behavior. Then cluster you with similar user. Then the last step, he gonna predict what you will like before you even ask about it. That's what we call it a recommendation system. Next, image and video recognition. That's machine learning. You know face unlock inside your iPhone? That's ML. Self-driving car, ML again. ML model are now beating human doctors in detecting tumor in MRI scan, diabetic in eye images, skin cancer from even phone photos, and all of that coming from feeding millions of labeled images into neural network. Neural network is by end of day, we're gonna talk about it by later in some sections advanced, or what we call it CNN, that detect pattern too subtle for the human eye. That's the real world power. Your phone camera is not a camera anymore. It's a real-time AI lab. Third, fraud detection inside the banking system and e-commerce. Let's talk about money. Bank lose billions every year to fraud. Enter machine learning right now. Machine learning gonna track transaction velocity, geolocation anonymity, device fingerprint, behavior drift. And instead of hard coding rules for fraud, the model learn from past fraud pattern and predict suspicious activity in real time. The coolest part here, it adapt automatically to new fraud techniques. No rule updates needed. The next one gonna be autonomous vehicle, like Tesla. This is where machine learning get sexy. Self-driving car use computer vision to see lanes, cars, signs, and sensor fusion to merge radar and GPS, and reinforcement learning to learn how to navigate. The machine learning model takes it in a billion input per second and decide turn left or whatever, honk or even brake, and it learn every day, every ride. Your Tesla literally become a better driver overnight thanks to the model of machine learning. So machine learning is not just powering the future, it's the driver itself. Then we have natural language processing like chatbot, translation, sentiment analysis, like Alexa, Siri inside your iPhone, hey Siri, or even Google Translate. All by NLP, natural language processing, NLP. And no, it is not just keyword matching. We are talking transformer attention layer, like GPT model that understand the context, even emotions. Example, your ChatGPT today is not a dumb script. It's powered by an LLM that can learn tone, mood, and even your preferences. Sentiment analysis, what was it? It's very important and very big topic, by the way. Let's brand like read millions of tweets, review, and comments to detect happiness, anger, or even crisis in just seconds. Every time you unlock your phone, order food, get a product suggestion, or avoid a credit card scam, you are experiencing machine learning. It's like invisible magic that powers the modern world. And you are now learning to build that magic. Next up, we're gonna explore the three main type of machine learning. See you there.